kind of nervous about doing this bit again. A couple of days ago, we attempted to do a very special edition of Halloween Sound Effects Theater, where I read a very, very creepy and ridiculous Halloween story and have the wonderful cast and crew of the show provide the Halloween sound effects, okay? Ooh. So in case you missed it last week, listen to this. The old man's ghost kept coming back to the house. Every night at the stroke of midnight, the old man would walk right through the front door. But no matter where she went, her husband just kept coming back.
What do you want from
You have
me?
a new boyfriend, and I'm not happy about it.
And
sweet.
that concludes this edition of Halloween Sound Effects Theater.
That's it.
And of course, here we are now.
You are so dead.
Now, the name of this story for Halloween Sound Effects Theater today is Hairy Toe. Thank you, Jenna, for this one.
You're welcome.
Jenna, how many characters are in Hairy Toe?
I think 2.
A
Are you sure? Okay.
Including the toe.
Okay, so, all right, Drew, you're going to be the toe.
I saw that coming.
Since you have the most hideous toes out of all of us. And Tanner, you're going to be the old woman, and Jenna, you're going to provide the nature sounds.
Okay, I can do nature.
Okay. Well, you picked the story.
I know. I thought it was funny.
So again, Jenna, what's the name of it?
Hairy toe.
And I'm the grandma, right?
Yeah, you're the old woman.
Cool.
All right, I need some good creepy music here. Yes. Once there was an old woman who went out in the woods to dig up some roots to cook for dinner.
Ooh, I need some dinner today. A woman does not walk like that. Who walks like that?
I thought you were the old woman.
Who walks like that?
All of a sudden, she spotted something funny sticking out of the leaves, and she dug around until she uncovered
This must be a
uncovered a great big hairy toe.
Oh my God! Look at the toe.
That's right, you're looking at me. Don't wake me.
There was some good meat on that toe, which would make a real tasty dinner.
Ooh, I can serve the whole neighborhood with this. Wow, would you look at that toe?
So the old woman put the old toe in her basket, and she took it home. She then went back to her cottage and struck up an old conversation with the leaves.
How are you doing today, Leaves? You look quite good. Leaves, you never sound like that. It's a really
Struck up
windy
a
day.
conversation. That
I
means
was a
to
leaf.
talk. Yeah.
It's a really windy day, I see.
It is. I'm blowing you essence of the
Okay,
god.
hey.
Ooh, that's not appropriate.
Yeah, I don't know if that's going to be happening on this trail today.
Haven't been talking like that since 1953.
Well, you're a good-looking grandma.
And along came midnight, when a cold wind started blowing in the tops of the trees around the old woman's house.
Ooh, it hurts my bones.
And when Fitz began to realize it is always at this point of the segment that he wishes he would never do it again.
Oh, Fitz.
You are so dead.
Is that it?
And that concludes Halloween Sound
What happened
Effects
to the
Theater.
hairy toe?
What's a toe gonna say?
The Fit Show.
FIT with a Z, players.